I'm Emiliana and this is Jubel Explorer. She's our converted Mercedes Sprinter campervan, converted by This Moving House, and she belongs to me, my husband and our two kids, Molly and Theo, who are 3 and 5. I'm going to give you a look around.
So let's start with the first bed. So this is a single bed and the feet go under here. So there's lots of space. My 6'2" husband fits there, and under here is more space. This is the second smaller headroom bunk, but still a good size. Then we've got the double bed, and behind these cushions, that's where you put your feet, and then the pillow goes at the kitchen end. So again, 6'2" husband James sleeps there really comfortably. It's got a little bedside light, as all the beds do, and that works off the second battery. Then in here we've got some great storage where we use these cubes to pack our stuff so that we don't get confused with whose is whose. And then these are the perfect size for wine bottles, we've recently discovered. You can access those from the bed too. Then you've got storage here, which we keep the toaster in. And under here we've got more storage that we keep bits and bobs. We can also actually keep a toilet in that bit there. So then we've got the pull-outs, which create loads more for all of our clothes. And then the little kitchen area, pots, pans, plates, etc. Our fridge, which has a little freezer compartment as well. And then this really handy pantry. So that keeps everything in place. Then we've got the bits and bobs drawer and cutlery. Got a Smeg gas hob with 2 rings, a tap that runs with water. So this is a really clever little extra space that you can create by popping that on top of the drawer, giving it a little wiggle. And that basically gives you more space for cooking. And up here we've got the porthole, which the kids love, and that gives a bit extra air to that little bedroom. And we've got isofixes, which everyone asks me about for the child's seats. And then here I've got my little workspace set up because I teach hypnobirthing and I can teach that on Zoom, which is really handy. Then here we've got the drop down handbrake so that we can spin these chairs round and they become the dining area. So really comfortable for 4, if not 5 people. Then under here is where all the electrics are, so that's really easy to access under there. So outside, this is where we have our extra storage space where we usually keep food and things as well, like another pantry, and that's like a wet space, so you can put all your wet clothes and wellies.